Well, Chrysler 300C fans in super deformed shape, that is. So we have something called the Dropstars series. Dropstars diecast collectibles. I think Dropstars made like larger scale, cartoonish, yet somewhat more realistic looking than that diecast. Number 105. Be curious what the other four are. Maybe one day I'll look into it. But anyways, I love the Chrysler 300C, so I picked this version up here, the blue and, well, I don't know if it's a gold color or what. So let's take a look here. So this blue is a really metallic and it's a really dark. It's really nice. I like it a lot. And then you have printing Dropstars and some sort of Chrysler logo, I think, right there. It's got the super blingy, excuse me, blingy wheels, and there's the Dropstars logo. So a lot of extra printing there. And then, oh, nice. All right, I thought that was got rid of that, whatever it was. This is, I guess, a champagne metallic, somewhere in between silver and gold. Yeah, I don't know if the blister scratched that up, but all right. The door handles are, nicely defined here. The front end has a chrome grille with nice depth and definition, as well as the headlights there, so you could add paint there easily. No paint down here in the vents or these little fog lights, though. This side here, same Tampo printing, so that looks nice. Oh, sadly, there's no painting on the taillights. That's too bad. Okay. Super chromed exhaust tips with a little depression, license plate area blank. The Chrysler logo is sticking out, part of the casting, and then it's this little wing here as well. That's pretty nice. Totally blacked out windows, I think. Oh wait, maybe they're super smoked. They might be smoked, but you can't see an interior. I don't think there's any interior here. So yeah, just plastic base here with the chrome finish. It's so shiny, it's crazy. Alright, well, I'm going to put on some bling wheels. These wheels are pretty nice and all. It's just that I don't know. I think I can customize it. Here we are with some wheels from the real world called MRR HR3 wheels. I don't know which one's the brand, probably MRR. And then the model's probably HR3s. They're really deep dish wheels, but I can't make them very deep because I need to actually have plastic grab the axle in here. So I clipped off a wheel and then I was able to reuse the Hot Wheels axle so I don't have to drill the thing apart. And it does roll. Not that I care, but I think I also made the wheels maybe bigger. I can't remember anymore. I added some paint details, some silver, some black, black wash in there, and then some black in the exhaust. Not enough there. And I think maybe some silver here on that badge. But that's it. Okay, so it's a cool one. I like it a lot. Here's some nice images, but here are the wheels. I mean, this dude has a 300C and he's got the exact wheels, so I guess that's my comparison right there. It's funny, I mean, the image is almost the same size as the model, but look at the size of the car, right? So it's pretty funny, the deformation that Hot Wheels put about on this guy. Here's a nice two-tone paint job. I did research Dropstars, and it was a line of diecasts, I think from Jada or Dub City or something like that. I don't think they actually existed in the real world, Dropstars. Anyways, here's a realistic car. I don't have any American ones, but here's a Toyota Century. I think this is a TLV. Yeah, it is. It's an older Toyota Century. So that's a big four-door sedan. Cherokee-wise, we got this Lexus LS430, although I think it's a Toyota in Japan. It has a Toyota badge on it. But I know it's the Lexus LS430. 3D printed wheels on it, like the Lexus came with. Here's another one. This one has some Hot Wheels Reel Riders I painted gold. This is a Nissan Gloria. Yeah, there it is. And since this looks like a baller vehicle, I don't show this too often, but this is my own 3D printed Rolls-Royce Phantom 7. There's only 2 of these. I can't sell these. These you cannot find on Shapeways because BMW lawyers will pull them off the website when they've already done it. So I only have 2 of these. I will sell them for an extreme amount of money. If you own a Rolls Royce, though, you won't care. Okay, well, there we go. Let's take a look Look over here. Bring this coaster. Ah, see, it's gonna roll off. Hold on. I could actually stop this from rolling. This is my favorite 300C model right now because no one makes a premium version of this car in realistic form. So here's a little poster putty to keep that thing from spinning and falling off my coaster. I do believe we're going to need to get a cartoon character up here. You know, little Homer J. Simpson might not roll in this thing. We'll put him up because he's cool. That is a 3D printed Homer I downloaded off I forget, Thingiverse or something. I did have to paint it though. And I scaled it to be around 2 meters tall. You know, the height of a tall man. So I consider it a true 64 scale Homer Simpson. Alright, well, this is a cool one. I do love this car in real life, and then look at the image behind. It's a cool looking car to customize. And then I like cartoons, obviously, so this is kind of the trifecta of appreciation. And hopefully I'll go for the quad. What's a quadfecta? I don't know what you called that. But hopefully that fourth would be you enjoying this video. And if not, well, just watch someone else's channel. Just kidding. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next Hot Wheels 3D printed wheel project. Take care now. Bye.